Mark's Reviews Tutorials video where you've brought your Christmas tree home and now you've got to get the thing to stand up. It doesn't have too much stem, but here I'm just going to show you a really good method. Just in a standard plastic bucket, you can get it from your hardware store or anything like that. And we've got 3 bricks in here. This is going to give it great stability. Standing the bricks up with a little hole in here for the stem to go down the middle. Still lots of room for water, all good. Now, to give it stability, what we've done is we've drilled 4 holes through here. So just get your drill with a drill like that. It's about 3/8 the drill. So what you do, just drill your hole through. It's going to need to be the size of your zip tie anyway. We've got 1 zip tie, you can see that's going to sit in the middle. And then we're going to do 4 other zip ties. They're going to hold that zip tie, which will make that tight. And once we then sit the Christmas tree stem in here to the middle, we can do that zip tie up tighter, not super tight, but tighter. And then all of these 4, one here, one there, all looped through like that, coming in and holding this in place, and that will make it not tip. When we first put this in without this zip tie assembly on the top, it would just over there and move all over the place. This will mean it has to stay in the middle of the bucket. And with the water and the bricks, it's going to be super heavy and super stable. So there you go, very quick zip tie in a bucket. Give yourself an excellent Christmas tree stand. And of course, around here, just a piece of Christmas wrapping or a piece of material, and the bucket will disappear. Last one going on, we've got 3 in place. You can see the stem's going to come up here. We will tighten these up once it's in position. I'll tighten this up to make it smaller and then pull all of these up so it'll just sit beautifully in the center and hold the tree nicely. In she goes into the big hole. That's it, stand it up. Beautiful, okay. Then it's just a matter of tightening straight away. That is a lot more stable, but now we'll tighten it all up and show you how it looks. Tighten up the center circle around the stem, and that actually managed to tighten up all of the others as well, so it held it in the middle, so the stem now stays in the middle. It can't go anywhere else. And if you have a look at this, it's really stable. You give it a good old whack and bump it accidentally, and it's nice and tight in every direction. So there you go, simple little DIY way of doing it yourself using good old zip ties.